So yun na nga guys, ito talaga ang matinding labanan, Latina versus Asian. So ito talaga ang dalawang contestant na posibleng makikita natin, last two standing women for Miss Universe 2020. Hello mga kabiyahero, kabiyahera, welcome guys sa aking YouTube channel. At guys, tingnan nyo naman ang aking background, di ba? Bonggang-bongga guys, napakaganda ng punong ito. Syempre guys, ang ating pag-uusapan ngayon guys ay syempre ang dalawang mga nagkagandahang kandidata, walang iba kundi si Miss Nicaragua at si Miss Philippines. At yun na nga guys, no, bago tayo mag-start guys, ay shout out muna sa aking isang subscriber na so kinall out niya ko guys, avoid ko raw yung sabi ng guys sa aking mga sentences. Okay, sige fine. So hayaan mo na Joel, no, ganun talaga. Mayroon talagang tinatawag na mannerism kapag nagsasalita. Parang expression ko lang yan. Anyway guys, ayun na nga. Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay walang iba kundi si Michelle D at si Shanice Palacios ng Nicaragua. Kasi guys, ito talaga yung aking nakukutuban, no? Ang aking radar na posible talaga guys mag-uwi ng corona. Si Miss Philippines and Miss Nicaragua. So, alright, without further ado guys, let's talk about these two women, okay? So first, let's talk about Miss Nicaragua. So Nicaragua, she is actually a pageant veteran, and in terms of beauty, she's gorgeous and definitely a strong contender for this edition of Miss Universe, a Latina beauty, Shanice Palacios. Now, when it comes to Nicaragua's Pasarela, as I've mentioned last time, she has a strong stage presence and she has that wow factor that once she appears on stage, you know, you cannot snub her beauty. So she has that wow factor, Miss Nicaragua. In terms of skills, Miss Nicaragua, she's excellent, she's eloquent, on which na mas confident na ginagamit ni Miss Nicaragua is Spanish, of course, since sa kanila hindi naman talaga obliged o hindi naman talaga English ang kanilang ginagamit sa pang-araw-araw. So it's actually accepted, no? And we all know that speaking English is not a hindrance towards your dreams, towards your ambition. And when it comes to advocacy, Miss Nicaragua, we all know that she's an advocate for mental health. However, it's not just really visible, no? In terms of her advocacy. So that's what I can tell about Miss Nicaragua. But again, she has that great chance to bag the crown for Miss Universe 2023 because all of the things that I have mentioned about her, pasok na pasok talaga sa banga si Miss Nicaragua. Now, let's talk about Miss Universe Philippines, Michelle Marquez D. So Michelle Marquez D, she competed at two major pageant, which is Miss World and now it's Miss Universe. So having that experience in two major pageant will definitely give her an edge. So she's no longer a newbie in terms of pageantry. And if Miss Nicaragua is tagged as Latina's beauty, now Michelle D is such having an oriental aura, and she is fashionable. And Miss Nicaragua, in terms sa kanyang fashion, so masasabi ko guys sa fashion ni Nicaragua ay classy din, no? Si Michelle classy siya pero fashionable, elegant, no? And pagdating naman sa pasarela ni Michelle D, authentic, classy and sophisticated, no? So pag ginamitan kayo ni Michelle din ng snake pasarela niya, o pak na pak kakaiba yon. When it comes to com skills naman, pagdating kay Michelle D, she is superb and she is a very eloquent and full of substance. So pagdating talaga guys sa Q&A, talagang confident talaga ako kay Michelle D pagdating sa kanyang com skills. And as we all know, ang advocacy naman ni Michelle D ay about sa autism, which is very heartfelt and very visible, considering that she has two autistic siblings, so that give her an edge, no? Because it's realistic. So yun ang masasabi ko guys kay Michelle D. So guys, whoever wins for this edition of Miss Universe, hindi naman ako rin talagang masasad kung sakaling si Miss Nicaragua naman no, ang tatanghaling winner. At sinet aside ko na nga si Tunyang kasi nga medyo parang nakakasawa na siya at hindi na siya ganun ka-relevant. Kaya hindi ko na siya sinama talaga guys. So ito talaga ngayon ang nakukutuban ko, it's either si Michelle D at saka si Miss Nicaragua kasi both talaga sila may talagang bonggang aura, kakaibang aura at yung hatak pagdating sa mga tao, which is kailangan ngayon ng Miss Universe, kailangan nilang makabawi kasi last year ang kinoronahan nila ay hindi ganoon hindi pinatok ng publiko. So Michelle D talaga at si Miss Nicaragua, yan ang kinakitaan ko na posibleng mag-uwi ng corona. So good luck na lang sa ating mga kandidata at galingan pa nila para mas exciting at mas maganda pa ang labanan ng Miss Universe 2023. So guys, kayo guys, sa tingin nyo guys, sino talaga ang top 2 women pagdating sa darating na Miss Universe ngayong November 18? Sa tingin nyo guys, sino kaya talaga ang makokoronahan? So guys, mag-comment lang kayo guys yung gusto nyong maging topic, yung gusto nyong i-topic ko next time para guys mas masaya tayo at mas bongga. Thank you so much and thank you for watching my video.